Welcome to Jaed English Center. Do you want to boost your speaking skills quickly? Want to have better listening comprehension or pronunciation? And do you want to learn English vocabulary easily or faster?
Speak in English. This English coaching, not a local language.
Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills and motivation.
Country where we speak English.
Part 1. Arriving at the restaurant. Part 2. Reading the menu. Part 3. Waiting and small talk. Part 4. Eating and enjoying. Part 5. Asking for the bill. Part 6. Review and practice. Part 7. Ending motivation. Ready to make your brain super smart and speak English easily or fluently? Let's jump right in.
Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to our channel. I'm so happy you are here today. Last time, Emma went shopping. She bought food, clothes, and practiced her English. Today, she will try something new. Emma is going to a restaurant. She is excited but a little nervous. What will she say? What will she order? Let's find out together. Part 1. Arriving at the restaurant, Emma wakes up hungry. She decides, today I will eat at a restaurant. She puts on a nice dress and walks to a small cafe. At the door, she sees a sign. Welcome. Open. She takes a deep breath and goes inside. A waiter smiles and says, Hello? Table for one. Emma replies, Yes, please. The waiter shows her a table. She sits down and smiles. This is her very first time eating alone in New York City. Dear friends, this is your first step too. When you go to a restaurant, wait for the host or waiter to ask, Table for one, or How many people? You can answer, Table for one, please, or Table for two, please. Hit with me now, Table for one, please. Table for two, please. Great job. Part 2. Reading the menu. Emma looks at the menu. There are many dishes, soup, salad, sandwiches, pasta, pizza. She whispers to herself, Okay, I think I want pasta today. The waiter comes back and says, Are you ready to order? Emma replies slowly, Yes, I would like pasta, please. The waiter asks, Would you like something to drink? Emma thinks and says, Yes, water, please. The waiter smiles. Sure, your order will be ready soon. Emma feels proud. She just ordered food in English. Dear friends, this is your second step. Learn to say what you want to eat. Practice with me. I would like pasta. I would like pizza. I would like water. These are simple sentences you can use every day. Part 3. Waiting and small talk. Emma waits for her food. She looks around the restaurant. She hears soft music. People are talking quietly. The waiter brings her water. Here you go, he says. Emma replies, Thank you. She takes a sip and smiles. The waiter asks, How's your day going? Emma replies softly, It's good. Thank you. How about you? The waiter smiles. Very good. Enjoy your meal. This short talk makes Emma feel more comfortable. Dear friends, when you wait for food, you can practice small talk too. Practice with me. How's your day going? It's good. Thank you. How about you? These short questions make you sound friendly. Part 4. Eating and enjoying. The waiter brings Emma's food. Here is your pasta. Enjoy. Emma smiles and says, Thank you very much. She takes a small bite. This is delicious, she whispers. She eats slowly and enjoys every bite. When she finishes, the waiter asks, "Would you like dessert?" Emma thinks and says, "Yes, ice cream, please." The waiter smiles. Great choice. Soon, he brings a small bowl of ice cream. Emma says again, "Thank you." She eats her ice cream happily. Part 5. Asking for the bill. When Emma finishes her meal, she calls the waiter and says, "Can I have the bill, please?" The waiter nods and brings the bill. "That will be $15, he says. Emma counts her money. She gives the money and says, "Here you go." The waiter replies, "Thank you very much. Have a nice day." Emma smiles. "You too." She leaves the restaurant feeling very proud. She has learned many new words today. Part 6. Review and practice. When Emma gets home, she writes in her notebook. 1. Table for 1, please. 2. I would like pasta. 3. This is delicious. 4. Can I have the bill, please? 5. Thank you. Have a nice day. She reads them again and again. She says them out loud. Each day, Emma is becoming more confident. Each day, she is becoming better at English. Dear friends, you can do this too. Next time you visit a restaurant, practice these sentences. Say hello. Order your food politely. Say thank you. Ask for the bill. Step by step, you will speak English naturally. Ending motivation. So, my dear friends, Emma has learned so much today. She arrived at the restaurant, read the menu, ordered her food, enjoyed her meal, and paid politely. And you can do this too. Practice these simple sentences. Speak with confidence. Smile and enjoy every moment. Remember, every time you speak English, you are learning and growing. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe for more easy English stories, and share this video with a friend who wants to learn English too. See you in the next video.